Well, hello from Cape May, New Jersey. Got another nor'easter going on, and surf is up. Look at all these guys out here surfing, and I think I'm crazy, but I think these people are even crazier. And so I'll get you up here close, get a look at the waves. Here they come. Look at these. Look at this. I mean, you know, and if you're watching this and saying those waves aren't that big, just remember I'm from Michigan. So what do I know, huh? Yeah, run, buddy. Run. I'd run. Oh, here come. Oh, yeah. Woohoo! Well, there you go. Man, if I'd only brought my wetsuit and my surfboard, man, I'd tell you what, I'd be not out there. All right.